Did it do it? Yes. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Wow. Wow, that thing is so cool. Look at that crystal. Looks like a crystal cave. Got a few more geodes from eBay, guaranteed holla. Let's see what we got inside of them. Got my pipe cutter. This is probably not the nicest way to open it, but definitely very effective and fun. Wow. Whoa, that's a good one. Check this out. Wow, so many little crystals. Look how sparkly it is inside the house light. Pretty beautiful pieces right here. Will we get a purple crystals or something very epic? Let's find out. Every geode seems to be pretty different. Alright, let's see what happens now. This one was much softer. Wow, this one is totally different. You see, you never know what you're going to get. This one's are huge crystals. Wow, look at that one. Looks like a little pool of big and small crystals. That is just so unique. You see, this is the big crystals, and the smaller ones are way more sparkly. Even those ones inside, they're very, very tiny ones. Very sparkly. Just every geode is so different. Okay, let's do a couple small ones. Wow, that was very easy. And again, very sparkly. These ones are super sparkly, even in the daytime. Okay, another small one. I think we found it. Okay, this is what we're here for. You see purplish color to it. Much smaller ones. These ones are beautiful. Look at that. The purplish color to it, people really like. Clear and purple. Nice. Okay, this one is a unique color. Oh wow. Interesting what turn out to be. This one is just very interesting. Would be nice to polish them up. This one is super dark. I don't know if I like this one that much. Just something different though. Never know what you're going to get. It's a different light, different sparkling. So nice, wow. That's just so unique.